Daily targets can be easily created using Plan Excel. Let's see with a sample project for piping fabrication. In Plan Excel ribbon, the Gantt chart will show the planned Gantt chart and show distributions. We get a quantitative plan based on the calendar. Weekly plan can be converted to daily plan by changing the calendar. We get the daily plan for all the days as the default calendar is all working day calendar. We can exclude the holidays by defining a calendar. Duplicate and modify to suit the weekends and holidays. We can individually define the calendars to the activity or set as default to apply for all activities. Run again, which will adjust the targets to working days only. We can convert this plan to plan actual forecast template. Now the template is ready and I will update some actual completed quantities till 20th Jan. Modify the as on date to 21st Jan and run show distribution to get the latest daily targets. The template can be modified for better visibility of the plan actual forecast. Run summarize to summarize the targets and connect pivot summary to the interactive chart or dashboard using slicer. Hope you liked the video. Appreciate sharing the comments and see you in the next video.